y'all? This your girl GOLDMOUTH, and today I am coming to show you guys how I'm going to tile my kitchen backsplash. First of all, as far as the instructions say, that I cannot tile paneling walls, and which these walls are paneling. You can't see it now, but before they was red color. If you watch any of my cooking videos or anytime I was ever in the kitchen, you will see that these walls was red. But I was going through some things, so I didn't record it. That I primed them, and I also, you know, paneling walls got that line in between each one, like the old-fashioned walls back in the day with grandma had. Everybody grandma had paneling walls maybe, but they was always brown. So these were painted red before I moved here. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree and got a little thing of nail filler. I don't have it. Oh, here you go, right here. Spackling, that's what it is, spackling. And I filled all those lines with some spackling. All I used was 2 jars, and it was $2 just for this area from here all the way around and even up there. I filled those holes with spackling. Not the holes, they actually like deep lines. And I tried to level it out because they say you can't put tile on top of paneling board. So I'm gonna do it anyway, and we're gonna see what I get. So for the tile, I got this art3d.com tile. It is a mother of pearl tile. Well, I got the tile from art3d.com on Amazon. And for the spackling, not the spackle, I don't know what you call this, but this is called tile adhesive. They call it mastic, I think. Can y'all see this? Mastic. I got this from Home Depot. It was like $13. I got this old trowel for the tile to put the stuff on. I hope it's gonna work. Y'all see it's rusty and stuff, but that's what I had. I wasn't finna buy me another one. And I got some mastic caulk from the Dollar Tree. This comes from the Dollar Tree too. And these tools right here. This is another trowel, and this is just like a, I don't know, plastic thing. And this right here I got from Amazon. This is called a float. This is what I'm gonna need this to press the tile against the wall. So I think that's it. So the first thing I did was, like I said, I filled the cracks with the spackling. Then I primed it with paint primer, and then I sanded it. I sanded the walls down really good. They're not 100% smooth and flat, but if this spackling don't stick this here tile to this here wall, girl, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna get me some liquid nail and I'm gonna put it to the wall just like that, cause it's going up there. Okay, tell me what I can't do. Hopefully I can do it. Okay, so got the spackling, and I need to dust the walls down because I sanded them and I didn't dust them. So I'm going to dust the wall down. I got an old t-shirt here that I'm going to use to do that with. Just going to lightly dust them just to get the dust from the, you know, the sanding off the wall. Okay, y'all, so I have my adhesive, and I'm going to scrape it off of this. And as you can see, I already cut. Oh, I didn't even show y'all what the tile looked like. The tile looks like this. If you guys can see that. See if I can bring it up close. It looks like that. Mother of pearl. And you have to measure it on your wall with this and a pencil. So I just got it and draw the pencil to where I think my tile should go. Just give it an estimate. You don't have to like be 100% correct. I don't know. I ain't never did this before, y'all. So I'm a rookie, just like anybody else who ever did this for the first time. So what I'm gonna do with this is go down here. Y'all can't see, but I'm gonna stick it right here. This is gonna be my first piece. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but oh yeah, y'all. This towel is non-grout. That means I don't have to grout it. All of the tiles stick together real tight. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Okay, so got that done. I got 4 squares here. Y'all, it's sticking like glue. Yes. So I have to go from top to bottom to make sure that's the less cutting I have to do with the tiles. Okay, where the last one at? Okay, and this one. Oh my God, yay! Did y'all see that? Yes, I got it on. Oh my God. Okay, y'all, so now I take this here rubber float and put pressure on the bottle like this. Okay, y'all, I just came back in real quick to show you guys what I did here. I have this thing where you hang utensils from, and it got screws on the back of it to go into the wall. And I don't want to go through the trouble of putting a hole back in this, so I cut a piece of the tile out, a little small piece of the tile, and I forgot to show y'all what I was using to cut these tiles. These right here, nippers. Tile nippers. They not the ones that got the 2 little circles on them. They the other ones, because I got them at first, but those are too big to cut these tiles. They won't even close all the way to snip these tiles, so I had to get these. But anyway, I just cut a piece out. They're real easy to cut. All you got to do is bend it, and the tile just pops up. If you bend it far enough, and then you just snip off what you don't need. That's pretty much it. And so I already cut it, so I'm just gonna put it where it need to go. I already put the glue and stuff up there. Oh, I push it down real good. I'm gonna take my thing and see if I got the holes in it right. Yep, perfect. So I don't have to worry about drilling a hole through my tiles, because I'm scared to do that. I'm gonna show y'all how far I got so far. I done from here all the way down to there. So that's what that's looking like so far. I came back to show you guys what I was doing. Since my countertop countertop is old and it don't go all the way flush against the wall. So that way I have more space. I have more space to put my towel down further. So I want to go down beyond the point of where the towel meets the countertop. I want to go down a little bit more. So since I can't reach the this thing back there, what I did was I just rubbed some on the towel itself at the bottom part, and I just went just like that with it, so that way it'll go beyond the counter and it'll stick down behind the, like I can't move the countertop, y'all, so I just have to make good with what I got. Okay, so and I just push it down there, line it up. Push it tight. Okay, that's all I do with that. And then I take this and I push it in. Now for the towel that's down there, I got this old spatula here, and I'm gonna go like right here and push it against the wall.
I know, right?
I'm pushing it against the wall, you know, just the same way I push the other tile against the wall, and so that way the glue can make it stick against the wall, so it ain't just down there just like hanging out and stuff. Okay, y'all, so I came back to show you guys something. Okay, some of these tiles are like on this loose thing here, mesh, and sometimes you might get a tile that might fall out. Real simple fix. Just get the doggone tile and put it back up there when you're putting it on the wall. And right here, I want to show you guys where I'm about to cut it at. I had to lay it on the wall and draw a line down. You probably can't see it, but I drew a line down with a pen. And right there, that's where I cut each tile. This is one of the biggest projects to do, is to cut, one of the biggest tasks. So I like to cut inside my box right here, where I got the actual tile at. And I cut each line. I'm gonna have to cut. That's the hardest part of this, is measuring it and cutting it. This is probably gonna be one of my biggest cuts. Maybe, I don't know. So what I do is I just take it where I drew the line at and turn my head. Y'all can't see me, but I'm turning my head to the back because I don't want this thing to splash and hit me in my face or anything, even though I got a face mask and some glasses on, but just in case, y'all. Okay? So I pop that towel straight through like that. And I have to do that all the way down. This one I'm going to need a little bit more, so I'm going to have to cut it back a little bit further. Y'all, look at God. I wasn't able to do this. Count it all joy. Hallelujah. Okay, so I'm just going to do this all the way down. As you guys can see, I'm not getting a perfect cut, but I'm getting it cut straight enough where I can put the grout in there and or whatever I put in there to fill that up so you won't see no gaps. Might take a little time, but not really, because it snaps off so easy. You see? Just make sure before you cut, just draw your line on it to so you'll know where you're cutting at. Some of them, you might get some of them that might mess up, but that's okay, because you always got plenty of pieces of old tile that you done already cut, and you could puzzle piece something together now. So don't get mad if your cut don't come out right. Honey, just cut one of the other pieces that you already cut and push it in there. And I promise y'all won't see it. You won't see it. See, it's not straight, but once you put it on the wall, hold on. It's not 100% straight right there, but once you put it on the wall, you ain't gonna even know. Promise you won't know. Okay, y'all, here is the almost finished results. I'm just gonna show you guys this for right now. Mother of pearl backsplash, tile backsplash, and I went all the way over there and all the way up to the top. Still got old cabinets, but it's okay. We can't upgrade everything. So it took all day, y'all. Like literally from morning to night, it took that long. It was a one-person job and only one person did it and no help whatsoever, just me. So if you're gonna be doing this by yourself, just know it might take you all day. If you got a small kitchen like me, if you got a big kitchen, then honey, whoo-hoo, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. But this is what it looks like, you guys. So, and I still got some finishing touches to do. Like in that corner over there, it's a piece of wood that was in that corner, and I'm gonna leave that wood there. I got it out the door now. I painted it. I'm gonna paint it white, and I'm gonna stick it right back in that corner. It's kind of like a little bit of piece of molding, and that's what usually go on the wall when you got paneling. When you got paneling in your corners, you're gonna have molding. It's usually brown, but mine was painted red, but you guys in see red, you saw it white. So I'm just gonna paint it another bright white and put it back in that corner. And that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, it took 4 boxes, like to the T. When I say to the T, I was scraping up little pieces of tile just to close my last little few gaps in it. So that's how much it took. So that is it, y'all. I'm tired, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll cover all these face plates tomorrow. It says it takes 24 to 48 hours to dry, so tomorrow I will put the socket plugs back on and all of that good stuff and finish up some finishing touches and things and stuff and all of that good. All right, y'all. Bye.